Test of Hypothesis, Part 2. This is Tagalog version sa ating topic ngayon. Let's try to recall what are the 5 steps of hypothesis. Siyempre, number 1, i-describe natin uli ang null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis within HO and HA. Number 2, identify natin ang statistical test to be used and the value of APA and the critical value of test statistics. Number 3, syempre, gagamit tayo ng computation kung ano yung nababagay dun sa problem na yon. And number 4, we need to make a decision whether is to reject or not to reject the null hypothesis. And number 5, make a conclusion in non-technical terms. To determine the problem of hypothesis, these are the following steps. State the null and alternative hypothesis in words. So, dapat dito, isiniseparate na natin yung null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Pero, in a sentence statement ang gagawin natin. So, letter B naman, state the null and alternative hypothesis in symbols. So, dito na papasok yung problem. Yung mga HO, greater than equal to 80 or HA is less than to 80. So, yun yung mga examples ng symbols. So, mamaya magbibigay ako ng problem regarding with this one. So, letter C naman, what is the probability of committing type 1 error? Alam naman natin, pagka mga type 1 error, merong mga level of confidence or level of significance ang hinihingi dun sa problem. And letter D, state the conclusion when HO is rejected. And letter E, state the conclusion is HO is not rejected. So, ito yung para sa basic lang. Hindi pa to computation. Parang we need to start the basics on how to conclude for the HO and HA. A social worker wants to test the alpha of 0.05, whether the average body mass index of the BMI of the pupil under feeding program is different from 18.2. So, take note that our HO, the average BMI of the pupils under feeding program is different from 18.2. So, yun yung first conclusion natin with regard with the HO. And our HA, the average of BMI pupils under feeding program is not different from 18.2. So, take note, let's try to look the difference. Meron tayong word na average. Average, it tells something about the exact. So, another synonyms of for average is the exact, the same amount. Hindi siya didetermine kung greater than or less than. Kaya ginamitan siya ng mean, HO mean is equal to 18.2 and then HA mean is not equal to 18.2. So, this one from letter A, ginawa siyang words. So, papalitin natin siya by letter B in symbols. So, it seems to be that the given is 0.05. We will write the probability committing type 1 error is 0.05. And for letter D, okay, we have the BMI of the pupils under feeding program is not different from 18.2. And the other last, the BMI of the pupils under feeding program is different from 18.2. Ito, parang dinidetermine lang natin, sinasanay lang natin yung sarili natin within HO and HA. So, guys, alam na natin dapat yung equal, not equal, greater than equal, and less than kung saan siya ginagamit within HO and HA. So in problem number 2, a DTI representative wants to test at 99% confidence level whether the average of content of soda X is less than 330 ml as indicated in the label. While the HO, the average content of soda X is greater than or equal to 330 ml. So take note dapat ang HO natin, if you will look for the problem, bakit po yung HO ay greater than equal? Take note, if the problem is less than, you will put the HO greater than or equal to 30 ml. And our HA, dun papasok yung less than, yung alternative. So the average of soda X is less than 330 ml. So same this one, in HO, you have a mean, greater than equal to 30, and HA mean less than 330 ml. Since the confidence level is 99% or 0.99, so the probability committing type 1 error is 0.01. So lalagyan natin ng 0.01. So kabaliktaran dapat ng 99%. And the average content of soda X is less than 330 ml, and our last will be the average content soda X is greater than equal to 30 ml. So that is for number 2. So for number 3, so FDA often claims that Palm XYZ new cut drug contain less than 300 milligram of paracetamol. Test the claim using 99% confidence level. So again, for letter A, by words, statement of the word, HO, the average drug X is greater than or equal to 300 milligram. While the HA, which is the alternative hypothesis, the average of drug X is less than 300 milligram. So by symbols, we have to write the HO using mean greater than or equal to 330 milligram or 300 milligram, while HA is the mean is less than 300 milligram. Since the confidence level is 99% or 0.99, so the probability committing type 1 of error is 0.01. So you will write that into level of significance. So for letter D, the average drug X is less than 300 milligram. And for letter E, the average drug X is greater than or equal to 300 milligram. So ito yung ating how to write in symbols, by words, by symbols, and statement for the rejected or not rejected, and the conclusions.